Link Total Parts Pro DAVA 2020 Volkswagen Crafter, stock number 7135. It's run from the 2017 to the current shape. There's a DAVA 2 litre twin turbo engine backed by an 8-speed automatic transmission. This is a DAVA 2 litre twin turbo diesel engine. Left front guard no dents, left front door one dent, left rear door and some wobbles, left rear 16-inch steel wheel with tyre, left hand taillight, rear tailgate doors no dents, right hand taillight, right rear 16-inch steel wheel with tyre, right front 16-inch steel wheel with tyre, right front door code, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light, left front sun visor, factory 3-spoke model steering wheel, instrument cluster,